Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday, my bedding is in the wall. I am about to go grocery shopping. I'm doing my weekly reset today, so I'm taking you along on a little Sunday vlog of prepping for the week. I am sick still, if you can hear it in my voice. I've been sick for a full week now, so I'm gonna head out to the grocery store right now, and I will see you in 0.2 seconds. Hello. Oh my God, I feel like I can't hear anything. I'm back from the grocery store. Let's do a little grocery haul. Let's start with Whole Foods this time because, you know, I don't know. We all know. What? They don't know, we know, they know, we know. Joey, you can't say anything. Couldn't if I wanted to. First thing I picked up were some bagels. These are Dave's Killer Bread plain bagels. They just go so hard. Also, good quality, healthy. Love this brand. I picked up some oat milk. This is the Oatly full fat oat milk. Every time I film in this spot, he takes a lap around the island and then sits back down in the same spot he got up from. Then I got the oat milk Oatly barista blend. So this is just the creamier version that I like to use in my matcha, my iced chais, hot coffee. This is my fancy one. Then I picked up some kale. Did you see the water just go everywhere? Anyway, some green onions because I'm gonna make tofu miso soup this week. 2 apples, gonna juice this week. Obviously, I'm sick. I feel like a juice is very necessary. I've been on a really consistent juice kick lately and I love it. 2 lemons, some ginger, a jalapeno because I am making my chili. I'm meal prepping my chili and I'm so excited. A red bell pepper for the chili, 2 oranges for juicing. For my bagels, I like to have the Kite Hill almond milk cream cheese in chive. Love this stuff. And then you put a little lemon pepper on it. You put a little sliced tomato, a little avocado. Then I picked up some organic extra firm tofu. And then lastly from Whole Foods, I got some carrots. I'm on a carrot cake. I'm gonna make carrot baked oats. I'm gonna juice these hoes. I should have got more, honestly, but love carrots right now. All right, Trader Joe's. First up, bananas, of course. Some cilantro. 2 of my little spicy miso instant ramen. These never fail. Then I picked up some organic tomatoes. 2 avocados. Then I picked up some ground beef. This is for the chili. Then we have some canned goods from Trader Joe's. I got some black beans, some kidney beans, for you guessed it, the chili. I got diced and fire roasted tomatoes and then tomato sauce. Had to get a restock of my beef broth. This stuff is actually amazing when you're sick too, because you know you want to drink all the hot liquids. Beef bone broth is that bitch. For the chili, I got beef broth. And then lastly from Trader Joe's, I picked up miso ginger broth. This is what I'm gonna use for the tofu soup. That's everything that I got from the grocery store this week. Do you remember how I thought I couldn't unzip my couch cushions? Like I didn't think that the fabric would come off of them. There's a zipper. I've had this couch for a good 2-something years. There's a zipper on every single one of the cushions, like babs. So Sybil's been peeing on my couch, like in the same spot, so much. And she had peed on my couch before. I've cleaned the stain with vinegar and whatever, but it was never like perfect. And then this time it was just like, she kept peeing over where I had just cleaned. So it was so bad that I wanted to cry, but then I just flipped the cushion over and I was like, oh my God, there's a zipper back here. It feels like the cushions shouldn't have their covers come off because it is so hard to take it out of the cover and it's so hard to put it back on. It makes me feel like I'm not supposed to be doing that, but I did it. And look how much whiter it looks. Look how much whiter it looks compared to the couch. Oh my God. I was not about to take off all of them. I just did the ones with the stain, so I have to put that one back on. But I was not about to take off every single one of these. No, thank you. No, ma'am. Next week I'll do the rest of them because I just don't have the strength and stamina to finish this. But look how much whiter it is. You can kind of still see the stain, I feel like, because I had let it marinate in vinegar and baking soda, and it's been a week of her doing this. So also, she doesn't have a UTI. I've taken her to the vet, and it's an attitude problem. What she has is an attitude problem, not a UTI. I've taken her to the vet for this multiple times, and they're like, ooh, she's just being a sassy girl. There's nothing wrong with her. And I'm like, Stormy, you look like mommy, baby. Except I wouldn't pee on things when I'm mad. If I don't give her attention the instant she wants it, the second she wants it, and for as long as she wants it, she'll retaliate by pissing on anything white in my house, like my duvet, my couch. The most expensive things in my house, she has taste. So I washed the couch cushions, and now, oh, my little tripod. I've been shooting a reel all day of my weekly reset. I have a vlog of it, and I have a reel of it. Look at me multitasking. I'm getting better at doing them both at the same time now. It just took me getting the hang of it. So I'm still doing laundry. The entire apartment is spotless right now, even mopped the floors. Now I'm going to meal prep some chili because I am starving, and it's time for that. It is like 2:30, and I hate that it's gonna get dark in 2 hours. It's gonna be midnight in 2 hours, and I have so much to do. So I have an entire anthropology exam to take today, plus 3 hours of like review lectures that she uploaded. So a lot to do still, but I'm gonna make chili, eat that, regroup. Now a quick word from today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is the platform I use to create my website, and it's an all-in-one platform to build your brand through an online presence. And here I'm just showing you how easy it is to customize and add sections to your website. What makes Squarespace so easy to use is that you can choose from all of these templates. So if you don't really know where to start, but you want to make a contact page, a newsletter, you want to list products for your store, they have all of these templates that you can choose from, and then you can build upon them and customize them to your liking. It's very easy. It's great for beginners or people that just want to make their lives a little bit easier. It's easy to create a one-stop shop website where you can create a blog, a store, and you can really showcase all sides to your business through one website. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. It's now 7 o'clock. I got carried away with planning. After lunch, I went back into planning for the week. I normally plan my week on Mondays, but I wanted to plan Monday itself today. But then I got carried away and just like planned the whole thing, so I took too long doing that. Then I was like, wake early, you have an exam tonight. Stop procrastinating in another productive way. You need to study. So here I am. I lit a candle. I've got Christmas jazz going on the TV. I'm gonna get into schoolwork, take my exam, and then we'll do some self-care.
Establish that chronology.
As you can see by the hallway, it's now daylight. It's daylight hours. I ended up studying for 3.5 hours, and then it took me an hour to take the exam. So I didn't get done with everything until 11:30. I was not gonna do this whole self-care routine. That was just not gonna happen. So we're doing it now in the morning. I just took a shower. I'm going to apply the stuff that I always apply in my hair when I air dry it. What I use to shampoo and condition my hair is Olaplex, the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. They just came out with a clarifying one, so I use that. And then I like to leave in my hair Olaplex number 9. So this is the Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. I will switch between this or number 3, which is another leave-in conditioner. I do unfortunately always have to blow dry my bangs now, even if I'm going to air dry my hair, because they do the little Dwight thing. So I'm gonna blow dry my bangs and then we're gonna do my skincare. Are the bangs a bangin'? They're not. I literally hate having bangs. I don't, but I like them, but I hate them. I don't know. Now I have to pin them back because you think I can ever do skincare with bangs like that? No. I do the cool shot from the blow dryer on my roots because apparently, I don't know, someone said I double cleanse in the night usually, but I didn't last night. So I use my Dermalogica pre-cleanse. This is a cleansing oil. This is like my 3rd bottle. Will never stop using this stuff. And then to wash my face, again, I'm almost out of this, but this is my CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser for normal to dry skin. It's good for eczema, so if you have eczema, CeraVe is amazing.
Prom queen is Blair Waldorf.
I can't believe I'm saying this.
Those are your dreams, Dad, not mine.
Dreams, not mine.
I think I'm gonna do my Gold Clean Greens Anti-Pollution Superfood Face Mask today. Also, look at how bad my skin is. I feel like this is, I don't know why I'm getting acne right here. Is it makeup? Is it, I know your cheeks is like your respiratory and your stomach. And also here is like hormones, so like dairy, and then I don't know. Maybe my stomach's inflamed, which, you know what, yeah, it probably is. Face mask is done. I'm gonna ice roll. I kept the face mask on for 15 minutes and then rinsed it off. Everything matches today. It always matches. This is pretty much everything I do. This is the Clarins Double Serum Eye Serum Cream. And then for serum, I'm doing my La Roche-Posay Vitamin C Serum. I have like a bunch of different vitamin C serums, but this brand is my go-to for everything. Do you like how I color coordinate everything? Can you even see it? I color coordinate my medicine cabinet. This is my go-to moisturizer. This is the Caudalie Vino Perfect. Lastly, during the daytime, I put on sunscreen. I don't do it all the time. When I'm feeling good. So this is the La Roche-Posay 100, which is crazy. I need one with less because 100 feels ridiculous. I am literally taking these off. You're wondering, why are you in your hallway? I was working on my couch, and then all of a sudden I look over, and there's a guys, and they're cutting trees like right next to my window. I completely forgot to film an outro to this video because my camera died while I was finishing my skincare this morning. So this is the ending of the weekly reset, the Sunday reset vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.